everybody, long time no see. I am here today partnering with Ulta Beauty for their 21 Days of Beauty. So I thought I would do a get ready with me because I haven't done one in a while and it's hot as crap outside, so I thought I would do a super fun vintage tropical get ready with me. And I have nowhere to go because I'm still mostly quarantined, so I'm just gonna go dance out in my front yard and show the world my look when it's done. These 21 Days of Beauty go from Sunday, August 30th to Saturday, September 19th. And each day of the 21 Days of Beauty, there are new products at Ulta that are 50% off. And they are like name brand awesome products. So today I'm going to use products that will be on sale for these 21 Days of Beauty, and I will show you on the video below what day you can expect each item to be 50% off at Ulta, which is super cool. This is beauty's biggest event and the perfect time to indulge in beauty products. There are many ways to partake in these 21 Days of Beauty. You can shop at any Ulta store, you can shop Ulta.com, you can shop in their app, you can do curbside pickup, and when you buy online, you can pick up in-store or do curbside pickup. There's so many ways to shop. So without further ado, let's get started in getting ready. Okay, so it wouldn't be a TheCherryDollface video without skincare, obviously. So I actually have been using these Exuviance Performance Peel little pads. Super cool. I've been using these this week, which is why my skin is breaking out a little bit. When you use glycol and you're not used to it, your skin will purge, and that is what is happening right now. So this is the storm before the calm, I guess, the opposite. But these peels are super awesome. Next, to prep my skin, I'm going to use this Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. This moisturizer is great. It has vitamin C. Vitamin C is kind of like the hot ingredient right now. It's great for fine lines and wrinkles. It's also really good for hyperpigmentation. So if you're like me and you have lots of freckles or actual hyperpigmentation from the sun, this is going to help fade it. This stuff smells so good. It smells really citrusy, which I am a fan of. Don't forget the neck. So foundation I'm using is Bye Bye Foundation by IT Cosmetics. It's IT, I don't know, however you want to pronounce it. This is a good full coverage foundation, but it also has sunscreen in it. It's got SPF 50. We love the sunscreen. The thing I'm actually loving about these 21 Days of Beauty is that a lot of these products I already use, so it's a good way for me to get stuff that I'm already using on sale. Sales are my friend. Oh, wait, I haven't actually used this foundation before, and it is really nice. I feel like you watch videos where people are like, oh my god, I can't believe this is amazing, and you're always like, is that their real reaction, or are they just like saying that because it's sponsored? This foundation actually is really nice. And usually when I apply foundation with a brush, it like you can see my pores and it's a little bit cakey. Even with a brush, this foundation is really moisturizing. This is why I ordered this foundation, because I have dry combination skin, so I have to be really careful with full coverage foundation because it can get really cakey and dry looking on my skin. And this is really moisturizing. This actually might be one of the few foundations that I do need to set with powder, which usually doesn't happen, so I like that. Every time I move my brush, all I smell is that Juice Beauty moisturizer. It smells so good. It almost smells like if Fruit Loops were like a natural smell, if that makes any sense at all. Now I'm going to use my Benefit Boi-ing Cakeless Concealer. I use this in shade number 2. This is one of those products that I already use, I'm already familiar with. I am a big fan of Benefit Cosmetics. If you follow me, you already know this. This under eye concealer is great because it is called Cakeless Concealer, which means it doesn't cake. It dries really, really fast and it dries matte. So it's amazing for those of you guys that get creasing underneath your eyes. So I don't know where you guys are watching from, but it is so dang hot right now. So I am schwitzing. Okay, no joke, you guys. I just got up to go to the bathroom and I sat in front of the mirror admiring my foundation for like a solid 3 minutes. I do really like this foundation a lot. So next thing I'm using is this Too Faced Natural Glam palette. So if you watched some of my way earlier YouTube videos, like a decade ago, I used to use the Too Faced, the old version of this Natural Glam palette, and I loved it. I wanted to show you that packaging because it's so pretty, but I also want to show you this packaging. I'm getting my ring light on it, but it has like lace behind it. And wait until you see the actual, oh look, it's got a little heart. That's super cute. Wait till you see the actual shadows. This is what I like the most. They have lace stamped in them. It almost makes it a shame to use them. Ooh, they smell good. They have like a vanilla scent. I always like the Too Faced Natural palettes, especially for pinup, because it's like all of the neutral colors that you need for a pinup look. It's everything all in one. I find when I do pinup makeup, I have like a bunch of different palettes that have colors here and there that I like, but it's the rare one that has everything that I need, especially because I do like this really, really light color, and Heaven in this palette is nice and light. Sometimes the light color in a palette, especially in a nude palette, isn't quite light enough for my skin at least. So depending on your skin tone, I like that this has light all the way to very, very dark. The Risky Biz is a really, really dark. That would be perfect for people with much darker skin tones that want those neutrals. I'm just looking at all the names. It's like all sexy stuff. It's Heaven, Nude Goals, Lace Teddy, Cleavage, Hookup, Sexpert. I always thought it would be hard to be the person that has to come up with names for makeup stuff and colors, because like you can only have so many. Real Red, True Red, or like Glam, whatever. I don't know. If that is your job, hats off to you. Just a little pro tip, if you do travel with palettes like this, take a little flat cotton pad, like the ones you use to take your makeup off, and just put it over the powder and then close it, and that'll help to keep it from shattering. And also, if you can, when you're traveling, just make sure that you bring anything that could potentially break or explode on the plane with you. I have like a really liquidy eyeliner, and it likes to explode with the pressure. So I just make sure that I bring that on the plane with me instead of packing it underneath. So many things on this table. I'm not gonna do really dark shadow today because I am doing a more tropical look, so. Whoa! Okay, so next I'm going to use precisely my brow pencil. These are another Benefit product. You guys know I already love these brow pencils. These are 50% off, which is amazing. Let me just snip this little guy real quick. Beep. Oh no, I snipped the wrong one. Beep. Gotcha. I use a mix between gray and 3.5 because my hair is blue. So gray for me is a little bit too cool, but the 3.5 or the 4 alone is a little bit too warm. So combining them together gives me just the right color, tone, temperature. I love these pencils because they have a really fine point, so you can mimic your hair strokes with them. These are my like go-to every day. My eyebrows are finally growing back. For some reason they were like getting a little sparse. Ooh, these things are out of control. It's feast or famine with the brows. It has also been a minute since I've trimmed them. That's why we do get ready with me's, and then you actually see the reality. So anyways, they were super sparse for a while. I don't know why. I don't know if it's age or who knows. But they started growing back after I started using my lash serum on them. So see what I mean? The gray is just a little bit too gray, so I use my little 3.5 to warm it up a little bit. And I don't completely cover my brow with the 3.5. I just kind of do a couple strokes to like blend the gray into the brown. Okay friends, let's talk eyeliner. It might be hard to see because it's gold. This is Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I actually do like this liquid eyeliner a lot. It is a felt liner. It has a little shaky guy in it. It's great because it has a really fine felt tip. So it's so good for wings. I've been making makeup fail videos on TikTok of like all of the makeup fails we all experience as makeup wearers. I made a video about your eyeliner, how you get one perfectly and then you do the other one, you think it's great, and then you look at them both and they're like one's down and one's up. And I feel like that resonated with a lot of you guys. If you guys have any other makeup fail video ideas, please send them my way. Makeup fails are definitely something we can all relate to. Especially makeup fails when you're talking and you're trying to do your makeup. Or when your hand is super sweaty and your pinky is sticking to your face. Do you guys care about backdrops? Tell me all about it. Do you care what's in the background of a get ready with me or a makeup tutorial? Do you even pay attention? Do you prefer a backdrop? Do you prefer a room? I don't have backdrops. Like some people have like glittery curtains or whatever. The other thing that is great about this Stila liner is that if you have watery eyes like I do, I have really bad allergies, and when you have watery eyes, it doesn't move from the inner corners, which is really nice. Okay friends, let's talk lashes. These are House of Lashes. The 21 Days of Beauty promotion on lashes is on select Faux Mink lashes, but House of Lashes are in their list of sale items, and I love House of Lashes lashes. And I haven't actually worn these ones before, so we're gonna try them out. But I have to say, I have worn, I don't even know how many different kinds of House of Lashes, and I love all of them. They all look amazing. There's just something about lashes that makes you feel done. If I do a full face of makeup, like if I was just gonna like slap some lipstick on right now, I don't ever feel like my face feels finished. And then when I take my lashes off at the end of the night, I'm like, I'm bald, I'm hideous, what have I done to myself? These lashes actually are pretty long. I don't usually trim my lashes, and I didn't trim these, but if you usually trim your lashes, you're gonna probably trim these quite a bit. Woo, girl! If you want full glam, full drama, these are the lashes. All right, let's do some lips. This is Buxom lipstick. It is Full Force lipstick in Baller. I actually used to use Buxom a lot. I love that they have like a little lip print on them. It's really cute. I also know, yep, that Buxom, it all has the same smell, and it's like a really nice vanilla smell. So this is a nice blue red. If you are looking for a blue red, it's very moisturizing. Oh, I love a sharp new tube of lipstick. It has a little bit of a curve, so the point is really sharp, so you don't need lip liner. Putting on lipstick from a tube always reminds me of like every 80s movie where there was like a close-up of their lips, and then they would do, and you didn't know who it was yet, and it was all very mysterious. So just one little trick, if you are using a lipstick that has a little bit of shine to it and you want it to be matte, take a paper towel, and it'll take away some of that shine, and it'll also make it last longer. Okay, so now that I'm done with makeup, I need some hair. So thank you for joining me for this Get Ready With Me video, and thank you for Ulta. Thank you for your 21 Days of Beauty. Definitely check them out in the next 3 weeks for all of their daily deals, and let's go play.